Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean all that useless, pre-installed junk, also known as bloatware, off your machine that nobody ever asked for. To do this, we're going to use a free little program called O&O AppBuster, which you can download from their official website, and the best part? You don't even have to install it. This is a portable program, which means you download it, and you can run it right away. It doesn't clutter up your system or write anything to the registry. As soon as you launch it, the program instantly scans your machine and immediately pops up a list of all the pre-installed apps. You can see everything, the name of the app, who published it, when it was installed, and its current status. Alright, here comes the main part. Select the programs you don't use and delete them. But seriously, only get rid of the ones you know for sure you don't need. Bloatware can cause a ton of problems. It slows down your machine, drains your battery, eats up your storage space, and can even be a security risk. Okay, once you've selected everything you want to get rid of, just hit the Remove button in the top left corner. And that's it, the big cleanup is done. I hope this little tip was useful. If you liked the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. CYA.